Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy Telegram feature that'll help you organize your bots with ease. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a cluttered chat list, especially with bots scattered everywhere, this update is for you. Let's get straight into how to add bots to a personal folder on Telegram Web for PC. First, open your browser and head to Telegram Web. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side menu where all your chats and folders live. Here's where the magic happens. Find the folder you want to customize. Maybe it's one you've already created, or perhaps you're starting fresh. Right-click on the folder's name. A menu will pop up. Select Edit Folder from the options. This opens up a world of customization. Now, you'll see a button labeled Add Chats. Click it, and a list will appear showing all your chats, groups, and bots. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the bots you want to organize. Check the boxes next to their names. Want to add multiple bots? No problem. Select as many as you need. Once you've picked your bots, hit Save in the bottom right corner. That's it. Your folder will now display those bots neatly grouped together. No more digging through endless chats to find them. Why does this matter? Maybe you've got a bot for weather updates, another for task management, and a few for fun mini-games. Keeping them in one folder means quicker access and less visual noise. Plus, it's a game changer if you're juggling work and personal bots. A quick tip. If you haven't created a folder yet, you can do so by clicking the Create Folder option in the same menu. Customize it with a name, icon, and specific chat types to match your workflow. And there you have it, a streamlined Telegram experience tailored to your needs. This simple tweak can save you time and keep your digital space clutter-free. Give it a try and let those bots work for you, not the other way around. Happy organizing!